me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, I am Courtney B. Welcome to a brand new vlog. I hope everyone is having a great day today. Ava is in the back, of course, telling me her iPad is not working, but that is okay. We're gonna have a good day today. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys are doing. It's been so long since I picked up the camera and vlogged, so yeah, I am super excited, you guys. Tomorrow is actually Madison's birthday, so I do have some errands that I need to run on today. So yeah, my first stop is, I think I want to run to TJ Maxx, and I also probably need to run to the Dollar Tree because I want to see if they have just some little cute things that I can get. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get on the road and head to probably TJ Maxx, and yeah, I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so it has been a few days later. Madison had a really good birthday and I actually forgot to record, so I am gonna insert some pictures from her birthday. I actually was not feeling well, but we did decorate her room and she had a really good birthday. So yeah, now we are actually at a pizza place. I don't know the name of it, but it's a new pizza place that we're gonna try out. And we also need to go to Lowe's, so yeah, I'll try to vlog a little bit in Lowe's because I need to pick out some stain for another video that I am gonna be doing. So yeah, I'll take you guys inside of the pizza place.
take a seat wherever you want and look over the menu. Just order up here.
Good morning, guys. I hope everyone is having a good day today. It is actually Saturday, so it's the weekend, but I do have a few things that I need to get done on today. My husband is actually outside right now. He is making us breakfast on the Blackstone, and he absolutely loves the Blackstone. He cooks pretty much everything on it. I will be sure to try and link it down below, but I wanted to tell you guys what we're gonna have for breakfast. We are gonna have French toast with a twist, and we're gonna have a sausage. He actually made French toast with the twist a few times. This will be his third time making it. I cannot remember the first time what it was. The second time it was with cinnamon toast crunch on it, and this time it'll have fruity pebbles on it. I'm assuming he found these recipes on Pinterest or on Google. I don't know where it was, but the first one was super sweet, and I cannot remember the cereal that he used. If I can figure it out, I'll just be sure and put like a little pop-up right here. The cinnamon toast crunch was really good, and I'll let you guys know how the fruity pebbles taste. But I am gonna go out there and just try and get a little bit of footage of him making the breakfast on the Blackstone, and I'll be sure to show you guys the finished product, and I will also let you guys know how it tastes. But I wanted to let you guys know what I'm planning on doing today. I actually should be making me a to-do list. Definitely need to tackle laundry. We have a lot of laundry, and I cannot figure out why we have so much laundry. Y'all comment down below and let me know, do you guys always find yourself doing laundry? Do you guys only pick one certain day to do it? Let me know. And then also, what else do I need to get done? Oh, I need to film another video for you guys. I have another video that I'm working on, so I just need to finish that video. And then I also am helping my husband out on a project that he is working on as a retirement gift for one of his friends. So I just have to do my little part in that as well. And it is a few other things I cannot remember, hence why I need to make my to-do list. But yeah, I am gonna go ahead and stop talking, and I'm gonna go out there and show you guys the Blackstone. And I have to make sure I remind myself to link it, because if you guys do not have a Blackstone, what are you doing? You need to get you a Blackstone. It is really good, and we make pretty much everything on it. So I'm gonna stop talking, and I'm gonna go out there and show you guys. it is the next day and I did not finish working on my other video for you guys, so I am going to finish that up today. But I wanted to take a little break from it, and we decided to get us some Starbucks. And as you guys know, the last time I came to Starbucks, I got the caramel crunch frappe, and I got it again. I think they're open, and I got it again, so that's what I got. And my husband got the same thing he got last time, which was the mocha cookie crumble. I think that's what it is. So yeah, now we are at Family Dollar because we have a few things we want to get from here, and it is so gloomy out today. So it's a rainy Sunday. I hope everyone is having a great day on today, but we do have a few errands that we need to run. But I just wanted to check in, and I'll see you guys inside of the store. This is so cute. Alright guys, so that was a bust. They did not have anything that we needed, so now we're gonna head to Dollar Tree. So I will see you guys inside of there. Alright guys, so now we are at Lowe's, Dollar General, and Family Dollar. They did not have what we were looking for, so we decided to stop by Lowe's because my husband actually needs to pick up some stuff for his project, and then also I need more paint for the project that I am working on. And it's just me and the girls in the car. I decided not to get out at Lowe's because it is starting to rain and I do not want to get wet, so we're just hanging out. Are you having a good day so far, Ava?
Yes.
You don't have anything else to say?
Yes.
What do you want to say? Subscribe.
Yeah.
Okay, subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
All right, and tell them leave a comment below.
Yeah.
So yes guys, you heard her. Leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, give us a big thumbs up. But from here we are just gonna go back home because I need to finish out the other video. I need to cook dinner, and what else? Oh, I need to finish doing the laundry and prepare everything for tomorrow. So I will pick back up when we get home. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on and officially end the vlog right here. I realized that I did not close out the vlog, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you guys did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.